Technically, I haven't broken no laws.
Actually, you're trespassing because you've been asked to leave twice. You keep pulling away from me. We're gonna have a serious fucking problem. Do you understand?
No, I don't
Give me your
understand.
fucking dick.
Come on, stand up, Brandon.
On December 1st, 2026, a trespass arrest at an entertainment venue produced 3 legal issues, and the most common legal misconception in this series.
Okay. And so what's the main issue? This one gone?
Well, he stole people's drinks.
Okay.
Then when I asked him to leave, he threatened me. And then refused to leave multiple times. And started cursing at me.
Okay.
And just wouldn't leave. And then
Brandon.
I want to talk to you.
Hey, buddy. I think it's time to leave.
Yep.
Alright. Go ahead.
Alright. Let's start with your ID, my man.
Alright, I'll leave.
Okay, let's start with your ID.
Why do you want my ID?
Because I'm making contact with you, I'm gonna identify you.
Am I going to jail?
I don't know yet. Why would you be going to jail?
I don't know.
Do you still have your warrant?
Nope.
Okay. 8-6 switching it to. 8-6 on 2.
Let's talk over here. Alright, let's talk over here. Let's talk over here.
Check a party out of Florida by number. Sam 635 175 843 000.
These guys do a good job.
All right, we're gonna step over here, Brandon. Nope, off the ledge. Come down.
Over here.
Step over here. Over here. Over here.
I can be here anywhere I want.
You're gonna come over here where I can keep control of the situation.
Technically, I haven't broken no laws.
Actually, you're trespassing because you've been asked to leave twice.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. And you were an issue last night too.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you
You're
were.
a liar.
Okay, whatever you say. We're just here for the hell of it.
Watch.
I don't care who you're calling.
It's the owner.
I don't care. 8-6.
All right, let's go.
Copy.
Here.
No.
No, I'm allowed to.
He can come over here.
No.
Yeah.
Copy. So you're not even supposed to be drinking as a condition of your probation.
Oh.
That doesn't matter.
Yeah,
It does.
No.
Special condition,
That means
no
you're
alcohol.
violating your probation.
That doesn't mean I'm violating a law.
Yeah, sounds
You're
like we have some
violating a
talk.
law of trespassing. That's fine. I'll call your probation officer. We're going to
Do
walk
it.
this way.
But you're not going to arrest me for it.
I can arrest you for trespassing.
Trespassing, you can't arrest me for it unless you show me a trespassing report.
You need to step
Yeah.
right here.
To the right. Brandon.
Fucking pull away from me. Are you fucking stupid? Come on. Now we're going this way. You keep pulling away from me. We're gonna have a serious fucking problem. Do you understand?
No, I don't
Give me your
understand.
fucking dick.
Come on, stand up, Brandon.
No.
Stand up.
I'll leave. I'm trying to leave. Please
Oh,
give
let's
me my
go back.
phone. Give me my phone. Right now. Come on. I don't understand. I have done anything wrong.
Come on, buddy.
Okay. That's fine. my phone. Give me my phone.
You step back in here.
Yeah.
Did you get his ID?
Yep. You got that?
You are officially Do you want your phone or not?
Okay, you can leave it right there.
He's on probation.
No. Yeah, we'll talk to his probation officer.
Alright, you got anything else from us?
They told me to leave. No, I haven't done anything.
Wait.
Come on. No, I'm trying to leave.
You're about to get.
What was I doing?
Alright, you're fucking on.
Come on. Come on. Alright. Come on. We don't want to do this. Put your hands behind your back. There we go. Come on, dude. There we go. Alright, let's get you up. Let's put you in my car. Come on.
Searching first.
Yep. Come on, buddy. Lean up against my vehicle.
Whatever it is wrong.
Trespassing.
Trespass after warning. Oh, you got a lot of money on you.
Yeah, well, it's 900.
Can you stand up straight for me, dude?
I haven't done anything wrong. What do you want? They told me to leave, so I left. I haven't
Stand up straight, bud.
Ow! What are you doing? I haven't done anything wrong. What are you doing?
All right, come on.
Oh my God! Stop!
Come on. Stand up. Can you open my door for me? All right.
Yeah, great.
Take a seat.
I haven't done anything wrong.
All right.
What do you want? What's your name? You have to tell me. What's your
All
name?
right, it'll be on the police report. You're getting
No, it's not. You're gonna tell me what I did wrong.
All right, put your feet in.
No, tell
Put
me.
your feet in the car.
What did I do
Put your
wrong?
feet in the car.
What did I do wrong?
Put your feet in the car.
What did I do wrong?
Put your feet in the
What
car
am I
for me,
doing?
buddy.
Great. You're hurting me.
Yeah,
I
you're
hope
doing this
you
to
know
yourself.
Kick that one out from underneath.
Yep,
What have
here
I
you go.
done? What have I done? What have I done? Why are you hurting me?
There you go. Seriously want to do this, bud?
What have I done?
Put your.
I don't know
leg
what
in.
you're doing. Oh, yeah, now you're. Oh, my God.
Get your leg in the car.
breathe.
Get your leg
Oh
in
my
the car.
God, I can't breathe.
Give me your fucking leg.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my God, stop it.
Put your fucking leg in.
You're about to get pepper sprayed.
Pepper spray me, I don't know what you're doing.
All right.
Stop it.
I'm just
Stop it.
asking you to put your leg
Stop
in
it.
the car.
I can't breathe. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'm
Oh my
I'll do it.
God.
I'll do it.
You do it?
Yeah, I'll do it. Here we go. I'm
Oh
about
my
to
God,
dust on you.
stop it. I haven't done anything here.
Put your leg in the
leg
car.
in.
Or are you getting dressed?
Oh my God, I don't know who you are.
Put your leg in the car.
I don't know
Put
who
your
you
leg in the
are.
car.
Put your leg in the
Stop
car.
it. Oh my God. No, that hurts.
All right, put it in the car.
Oh my God,
Put it
stop
in the car.
731 drive.
Oh my God, I don't know who you are.
Come on. Put it in the car.
Stop it, I don't know who you are. Please stop.
Come right
I
there.
don't know what you're doing. Please stop. I don't.
I'm doing it again.
I really don't know.
Put your leg in.
Put your leg in the car.
Oh my God, stop. Please stop. I don't know who you are. Please stop.
All right, here we go.
Cut that one.
There we go. Let me turn on my in-car. All right, we're on. Going off. Well, you're being arrested. Hey, we're gonna make our way up. All right.
Let's go up, buddy.
We have medical clearance here. Yeah.
Come on up, Morty.
Yeah.
Just like that. Roll forward.
What do you want?
Just like that. Perfect.
Yeah, he's been here before.
He was?
Yeah.
Yep.
Me and Clark had always been back.
That was mine too.
It was you
Yeah,
again?
night. Oh. This is the first time all night. So. That may be a ketamine.
You want it back?
Yeah. Come on in, Willie.
Jack's coming.
Rupert?
I don't know, we might want to go up. We might get
We're
stuck.
going up.
Hi, Gruba.
You know what? I can't wait. Fucking.
I can't wait, buddy.
I can't wait.
You know what? There used to be a stream. Stream that I used to have.
Walk. Take a seat.
No, bring him all the way back.
Oh, we're gonna go all the straight back.
Oh yeah, let's do it too much for work.
Can you not breathe on me, please?
Motherfucker, shit your fucking trash ass in the house.
Get a bit out or you want to wait 4 hours? Okay.
Okay, come on.
Let's get him.
Do you want me to make this
Bro.
more
Bring your chair.
difficult for you?
It's okay, leave him there.
Do you want me
There.
to? I'm a lot stronger than you.
You ain't stronger, my man. That's why you're in cuffs.
Motherfucker, you can't even bench 135.
Now get at your no, he's not coming. Mr. Sir! Mr. Sir! What's his name?
He cut my pants.
What's his name again? Brandon.
Mr. Brandon, do you want to willingly sit on the chair, sir?
I don't understand.
All right, stand up for me. Go ahead. All
I don't understand.
right.
I don't know who this person is.
That's fine. We're good. We got it.
What's up?
All right.
on in
What do you
now.
want?
Well, now you're in it, so Bryant, step off.
Oh no.
Criminal trespass after warning requires presence on property after notice to leave. Oral notice from the property owner or authorized agent is legally sufficient. No written documentation is required. SRT 55. You can't arrest me for trespassing without a trespass report. No jurisdiction requires written documentation before a trespass arrest. Arrest authority flows from the statute and prior warnings. SRT 30. You've been asked to leave twice. SRT 33 adds the prior night. These oral warnings establish the notice element. The statute requires notice, not a specific form. SRT 44. Alcohol in violation of a probation no alcohol condition. Brandon at SRT 49. That doesn't mean I'm violating a law. He is technically correct. A probation condition is not a standalone criminal statute. A condition violation triggers revocation proceedings. The VOP hearing may produce consequences more serious than the trespass charge. SRT 8. Do you still have your warrant? A warrant query is standard. An active warrant provides independent arrest authority regardless of the underlying trespass. Brandon answered no. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force evaluated on crime severity, immediate threat and active resistance. Misdemeanor, no weapon, but 8 minutes of sustained resistance. Physical control for that duration is within Graham bounds. The pepper spray warning at SRT 156 was not deployed. Given 8 minutes of active resistance, deployment would have been within Graham bounds. Non-deployment is the more notable editorial outcome. SRT 171 through 184. I don't know who you are, repeated 7 times. Resisting arrest requires knowledge of officer status. The prior ID check and radio contact make this claim legally untenable. SRT 160, I can't breathe. City of Revere 1983 requires medical care for serious needs in custody. Medical was arranged at SRT 190. The $900 cash at SRT 112 was recovered under Chimel v. California, 1969. Search incident to arrest. The cash is personal property, not evidence of the trespass. Officers receive a B+. Trespass charge correct. Probation correctly triaged. Pepper spray not deployed. Medical arranged. Deducted for insufficient on-camera explanation. Stating oral warnings are sufficient would have shortened this encounter. Brandon receives a D trespass, probation violation, and 8-minute resistance documented. The D, not F. His observation about probation conditions is technically correct. Partial legal knowledge applied without the full picture. 3 takeaways. First, trespass after warning requires prior notice, not prior paperwork. Oral warnings are legally sufficient. There is no trespass report requirement for arrest anywhere. Second, violating a probation condition triggers VOP proceedings. The consequences of a revocation hearing may exceed the trespass charge that triggered the contact. Third, resisting arrest creates a separate offense and justifies force escalation. Both consequences the officers in this footage chose not to exercise. Let us know which interactions you want analyzed in the comments. Thank you for watching. Street Bodycam has more.